Very often, a change of self is needed more than a change of scenes. That's the shift from normal to the new normal. A very good morning to one and all. Each year end marks a new beginning. To keep your spirit and determination unshaken, always have the faith and the courage to achieve everything you desire. With this view and looking back at the pandemic year, that is from 14th March 2020 to till date, the impact has severely affected all sectors, especially the education systems of the world and India in particular. However, the COVID 19 outbreak also made us understand that change is inevitable. The situation has worked as a catalyst for education sectors to grow and opt for platforms and techniques not used before. Fighting to survive the crisis with a different approach and digitizing the challenges to wash away the threat, seamless measures were provided here at Nyanganga English Medium School. Educational activities designed and executed proved beneficial to maintain the educative temperament during and after the lockdown. This also provided an opportunity to tap and unleash the hidden talents at all levels of the school system: students, parents, entire DEMS staff, and the management as well. DEMS strives to nurture an educated atmosphere right from tiny tots to the grade 10, as we believe that inspiring young minds motivates and guides them to be a responsible and confident global citizens of tomorrow. DEMS provides the necessary infrastructure, opportunities, instills in students the values and morals necessary for sustainable growth and development as lifelong learners. So, dear stakeholders, let's break the loop and step forward. Enjoy the bites of unprecedented times that has empowered us beyond imagination. Hard work is the formula of success. The new academic year 2020-21 started with 100% SSC result. This huge success is definitely the hardcore efforts put in by everyone at DEMS that has always raised the bars of success beyond expectations. Yantrotsav 2020, online robotic competition organized by PDEA's College of Engineering, is yet another milestone achieved by the young innovators of the school. The project of smart wheelchair, designed and developed by the ATL students, bagged first prize. Kudos to the participants and the guiding team. Scratch Coding Challenge competition, organized by NIIT NGuru, added prestigious laurels to the school records and proved that computers, the empowering tool of today's time, can be an amazing medium of creativity, utilized and shaped to perfection by its users. Hearty congratulations to the winners of the competition. Students participated in competition organized by Muktangan Exploratory, and I feel proud that our students have elevated the bars of success by bagging several prizes and proving the Demchian spirit again. You made the school proud. Inception Inter-School Competition organized by Zeal International School, Sangli, has proved that best never rests. Students participated in various categories of competition, exhibiting their prodigious efforts and crowning the prizes for the school. Hearty congratulations to the winners. The uncertain time was fruitfully used, providing different platforms for the students to explore new ways of learning. Cosmos Summer Carnival celebration helped to rekindle hope, positivity, and trust within self. Students teacher relationship stayed connected uninterrupted through the digital platforms. As educators, we made every effort to maintain the decorum of the school system normal and in this new phase of teaching learning process. A quick glance at all the educational and co-curricular activities shall give an overview of the happening year at DEMS. Before I wrap the fabric, I thank the management of Zeal Education Society, Founder Director S.M. Katkar Sir, Secretary Jayesh Katkar Sir, Executive Director Pradeep Khanve Sir, and all associates of Zeal to motivate us and support us to achieve the achieved. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parent fraternity who stood by the school and supported their wards to excel in their academic and co-curricular activities amidst the crisis. I also appreciate and acknowledge the tireless efforts put in by the teaching, non-teaching and the ground staff till this day. As we live this current situation, we have witnessed incredible solidarity, kindness, generosity, and creativity from the educational fraternity. To sum up for the year that we have endeavored, I would like to say, fear will not have the last word, but love and hope will. Thank you and have a positive year ahead.